Montega. Shorty. I'm talking about. And I can take you there. Okay, so got mail today. About to unwrap this up. This is a landing pad purchased for the drones. Another landing pad, a square landing pad, not a circular one. And this one should be able to fit inside the drone's carrying case. Hopefully, we'll see with all the supplies. But we're gonna do an unboxing. But I would love to be able to test it. Let's just do an unboxing. It's just, it's raining in New York all week. And it comes in a box like this. Compact landing pad from FreeWell. You see that? FreeWell. Compact landing pad. Okay. And it has a cloth case that it comes in that feels real soft, suede-like, and smells plasticky. I guess it has plastic in it. Okay, but it smells plasticky. How does the drone feel? I mean, I said the drone. Excuse me. We're not gonna outtake that. Maybe we should. No, we're not. How does it feel? It feels pretty durable. I like it. I do believe it might fit inside the case with no problems whatsoever. So we'll know about that. The only thing is, you can't test it because it's raining in New York, and it's raining in New York all week. I want to test it. I bet you want me to test it too. So you know what I'm thinking? Thinking maybe I should go fly to California tomorrow, check some things out. You just gotta get on a plane. Let's go. Hey, look. See, I got the drone started. I'm gonna show you the pros and cons about this landing pad real quick. Well, some of them. As long as you take off from a vertical area and you're landing vertically down on the pad, then you shouldn't have any issues. You'll notice right now, the pad shouldn't move. It should hold its space, and it should do good. If it's windy, then there's a chance that it could move. Okay, now let me show you it coming from an approach. Now, if you're coming down on it from an angle like this, it's more than likely going to do this. It's not going to allow you to land. It's going to consistently move out the way, and you're going to have to chase it. So you're going to have to come up from above it and come at a vertical angle. This is the only way for sure that you'll know that it won't move. So, quick pros and cons. Quick pro, it fits great. It's even more portable when it comes to you putting in your luggage than the round one that comes with the case. Con is, if you are coming in from an angle, it will fold up on you, it will lift up on you. If you're gonna use this landing pad, you always have to come off the vertical to land on it. That's my pros, thanks. Okay, so how was the trip to California? It was okay. I did get to test the landing pad out, as you've seen. You see the pros and cons of it. If you're coming in to land on the landing pad at an angle, it will in fact move on you. And if you come in on a vertical or landing on top of it, it'll be just fine. The landing pad is I like it better than the circle one. I like it better than the circle one. I think the circle one may last longer because of the material, but I like it better in terms of it folds up into the square. It's able to fit in more places. That's basically it. It has, I guess, cardboard or heavy cardboard or something inside of it that allows it to fold and hold its position and gives it some type of weight. But it's the pros and cons of it.